Hello, in this video I'll show you how to remove and replace the front door window regulator on BMW E36. When we try to put the window down, we can see the window motor working, but the window is not going down, so that means there must be a problem with the window regulator. In order to get to the window regulator, first we need to remove the door panel. To remove the door panel, there is two screws that we need to remove. They're behind those two caps. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. Next, we need to get a plastic pry tool and try and pull out the door panel from the clips. We need to unclip the door panel and then it will come out. We also need to remove this plastic cover for the door handle. We need to push it forward and it will come out. Next, we need to unscrew the lock knob. We just unscrew it and take it out. And then afterwards we can remove the door panel. Now that the door panel is removed, we need to remove and disconnect the electrical connections, and then we can take out the panel. Next, we're going to remove this isolating cover so that we get access to the window regulator. And now we have access to the window regulator. We can see the window regulator is held to the door with rivets, so we need to drill them to remove the rivets. It's held by 4 rivets. These are the 3, and there is one behind the door handle. We need to remove the door handle as well, and this is the size 10 socket that we need to remove, so size 10 bolt. So first we're going to drill the rivets so that we can remove them. Next we're going to remove this bolt holding the regulating part of the window regulator. From this bolt there you can regulate how the window will go up and down. Next we're going to remove the door handle. And we can see the last rivet that we have to remove is behind the door handle. So now we're going to drill it, and then we're going to remove the window regulator. You also need to remove the window regulator from the window. It's held by two clips, but in my case the two of them are broken. That's why I'm replacing the window regulator. So there is nothing to remove, so I'm just going to take out the window regulator. I need to disconnect the electrical connectors from the window motor, and then I can take out the regulator. Next I'm going to remove the window motor from the window regulator and then put it on the new regulator. That's the window motor out. There is some grease that's on the old window regulator. I'm going to put it on the window motor, and then I'm going to put it on the new regulator. Next I'm going to put on the new window regulator on the door. First I'll put it in place, and then I'll get a rivet gun and clamp the window regulator to the door. And I'm done putting the rivets on the window regulator. All of them are on. Next I'm going to catch the window to the window regulator. There will be somebody helping me to bring down the window, holding it in place so that I can put the window regulator in these blue plastic clips. When I need to push it in, maybe use a C-clamp or by hand, depends on how hard it is for you. After I put it in both blue plastics, then I can put in the clips. I can put in these metal clips which will hold the window in place. So now I'm going to put on these clips to hold the window in place. Maybe you can use vice grips in order to put it in, or a screwdriver, depends on how easy it is for you. In my case, the best way to put it in was with vice grips. You just put it, hold it with the vice grips and just push it in. And as the clips on, that means window regulator is replaced. Now we'll bring the window up and down and try and regulate it from the bolt, from this bolt over there. And then after it's all regulated, after it's up, we can tighten the bolt and then we can assemble everything in the reverse order. Next we're going to put on the door handle, and afterwards we're going to put on the door panel. Then we're going to put on the two screws holding the door panel, and afterwards we're done. Hopefully the video was helpful. Thank you for watching.